Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dust collectors for woodworking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Dust Stopper Pro, the ultimate budget-friendly option for those looking for a compact and efficient dust collection solution. This product is perfect for hobbyists or those with small workshops, offering a patented, low-profile design that fits standard 5-gallon buckets seamlessly. The Dust Stopper Pro boasts an impressive ability to trap over 99.9% of typical shop dust before it reaches your vacuum, which not only extends the life of your vacuum filters but also saves you money in the long run. The build quality is solid, featuring anti-static resin with reinforced walls for durability. Its transparent lid allows you to visually monitor dust accumulation, adding convenience to the design. The included high-flow 90-degree sweep elbows and EPDM gasket ensure airtight connections, while its compatibility with most shop vacuums makes it incredibly versatile. While it's not a standalone dust collector, it excels as a separator, especially for smaller debris like sawdust, dirt, or even liquids. This product is ideal for DIYers, small-scale woodworkers, or anyone who's working on a tight budget. However, it does lack the power and versatility of larger systems, which might be a drawback for those with more demanding needs. Still, for $59.98, it's hard to beat the value this little device provides. Coming in at number 4 is the WEN3410 3-speed remote-controlled air filtration system. This compact yet powerful air filtration system is an excellent choice for smaller workshops or garage setups. With a programmable timer and RF remote control, it's packed with convenient features that make it stand out in the under $200 price range. The system can circulate up to 400 cubic feet of air per minute, effectively covering rooms up to 400 square feet. Its dual-filter design includes a 1-micron filter and a 5-micron pre-filter, ensuring thorough air purification for airborne dust particles. The unit is remarkably quiet, operating between 50 and 60 dB, making it suitable for those who prioritize noise reduction. The build quality is solid, with a durable metal housing that feels sturdy, though it's not designed for heavy-duty dust collection tasks. The programmable timer is particularly helpful for setting it to shut off after your work session. While the WEN3410 is excellent for improving air quality, it's not designed to handle larger volumes of debris or heavy-duty applications. It's ideal for woodworkers who need to remove fine airborne dust particles rather than collect chips and shavings. Priced at $159.99. It's a great mid-range option for those looking to clean the air without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Denweni 360-degree Woodshop Air Filtration System. This product is designed to take air filtration to the next level with its powerful vortex fan and 360-degree air intake. Covering rooms up to 1,400 square feet, this system is ideal for larger workshops or garages. With airflow speeds of 1,050 or 1,350 CFM, it efficiently removes sawdust, grinding debris, and other airborne particles, significantly improving workplace air quality. The Denweni features a MEVR 11 filter that captures 90% of 3 to 10 micron particles and 85% of 1 micron particles, making it a reliable choice for professional woodworkers. Its robust build quality includes a durable metal frame, and its compact design allows it to be hung from the ceiling or placed on a workbench for versatility. The included remote control and timer functionality add convenience, allowing users to set it up and forget about it. While the Denweni offers exceptional air filtration, it's not a debris collector, so it won't handle large shavings or chips. Additionally, at $269.99, it's on the higher end for an air filtration system. However, for those who need high-capacity air cleaning in larger spaces, this product is a solid investment. The runner-up in our list is the Mullet High-Speed Cyclone Dust Collector for shop vacuums. This product is a game changer for woodworkers who rely on shop vacuums but struggle with clogged filters and loss of suction. The Mullet separates over 99% of debris before it reaches your vacuum, keeping suction strong and your vacuum running efficiently. Its parabolic design and one-piece construction create faster airflow, enhancing dust capture efficiency compared to traditional cyclone systems. Made of durable materials and featuring rigid PVC connections, the Mullet offers an airtight assembly that eliminates the hassle of duct tape or bungees seen in other setups. It's compatible with virtually all shop vacuums and includes hose adapters for universal fitting. The system is portable, lightweight, and ideal for hobbyists and garage setups. At 72 dB, it's slightly louder than other options, but still manageable in workshop environments. Priced at $275, the Mullet is an investment, but its performance and durability justify the cost. It's perfect for users who need a reliable dust separator without upgrading to a full-blown dust collection system. However, it lacks the storage capacity of larger units, making it better suited for smaller-scale projects. Taking the top spot on our list is the Wen DC1300, a powerhouse dust collector designed for serious woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. Equipped with a 14-amp motor and a 10-inch steel impeller, this unit can circulate up to 1,300 cubic feet of air per minute, making it ideal for heavy-duty dust collection tasks. The dual 4-inch air inlets allow you to attach up to 2 tools simultaneously, and the 50-gallon vertical collection bag provides ample storage for extended work sessions. The mobile base with swivel casters adds portability to this otherwise hefty machine, which weighs a solid 86.8 pounds. The design is rugged, with high-quality materials that ensure durability in demanding workshop environments. Its 5-micron filtration system captures fine dust particles effectively, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Its larger size means it's better suited for dedicated workshop spaces rather than smaller garages. At $312.82, the Wen DC1300 is the most expensive option on this list, but its performance, capacity, and versatility make it worth every penny. It's the ultimate solution for professionals or advanced hobbyists who need reliable dust collection for their woodworking projects. The only downside is its higher noise level during operation, but that's a small trade-off for its exceptional power and efficiency. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.